me say mo Metiani say 10 ya 2 obi to than if ye. Mokwa no more ne kokofa sa nkrofo no bae.
Back to the sender.
Me muntimi. As so ebrebia chese mo boka. Mudi nkrofo free Ethiopia ba enye ye. Mudi nkrofo free India. Mudi nkrofo free Benin. Moko fa nkrofo free Egypt. Ehifa. Kata ni ega ka ho nyina. Emfa. Still muguso. Election day. Omudi akwa free Benin. Missy Benin. Niger.
Meka yo kache me.
Ebae.
O kache me.
Na de becha mi ato aba no. Se me meka chom se me tuma ba wa kra wie pa. Me kokumase. Me say NPP ni na no ne boy ne ye meeting no muti meeting na se na me send the message. Me say that guy Ibrahim from Niger cannot do FOKO. O di America no cause of penny bi ho no come man nsa so se ma chine nti o mo mpa ye ma no.
E wo Ghana ha.
Ghana ha. Me ko du ho nso na nkrofo e wo ho nom. Se ko yo se enye ono o hwe photo na enye ono na me ko e. And you are still doing it.
Senior say
we no eya na
obi ho wo untouchable.
Just me pese ndema ni bi ho no eto abonten.
No mu hu.
Na manfo ye
ko si ana ye say.
Aha.
So ne bae.
Ebra bi na me kan ye e wo TV so sa say akwa bi ayesei. Me ye bia
obi anka.
Obi agwa ono abgo kwatra na de mu. Esi wo krom awo. Be say sam crofo ebra me di to Facebook omo ho po che. Afo na omo frɛ from spiritual fathers say machi omo. Me say muntibi. So it's better you stop it.
Omo ye bibia e betwe.
Hwe, woni no edo omo yeza. Me maka me say repeat. Me say baby a NPP as a party baby a me do omo ahye no. The next 30 years they should forget.
Hopeson Adorye.
Baby omo ko bia ka kire omo.
Hopeson Adorye.
Sa kwa bia hye NPP flag. Odia baby odi mo akwahye no. Na se buku mi Daniel na anu no forever and never mum abium. Just a republic is
baby odi machine 30 years.
Ebe brumpo. Ebe bro.
Ene se ne Bawumia wonya bi ni o.
Me se ebe bo.
Sa Bawumia.
But just say well. Odo munya botre.
Dia na.
No. Look, Ghana has a home.
Obi anim obi o.
Ye won penifo okrom ha o.
Papa.
Ye na nanom ye adwuma o.
Papa.
Ye na nanom.
This
a mo boy ho ban no. O mo ye adwuma okrom ha o. Ana, on se obi o ho so a. Ne de bibia che ne free fie. Eno so wo ho nom. So what I say, NGZ ya o mo bo ho ban. Se free fie.
Pepe.
Aha. Eti
adoma chede anyame de.
Wonim obi a wonim nipa no.
To wo hu se bibi de mechi ho.
O mi adan. Me mani we mi hu ade o.
Aso abofo no.
Me hu papa.
Aso abofo ndo mo do so mum.
Me ti shi obi na me Israel. Bogabi. Me person be challenge me. What dey me ti se mi hu dia a different thing. Wo pa me no ti ho a wi a ho na fa drogu ade mu ma me sisi ana me ni na hwade. Ubewu ni akosi o na mabawa ya babebo nsa wa.
Pere kokura mfa no.
Ye babebo ma babebo nsa.
Na yase na babebo nsa.
Me boni nsa wa. Kama pa. Eti muna ma you see
ade na ade o ma ya emfa. Memiti o enwa no mu bekum ponchi no mu bekum nantwi no mu ko mo asie bi nyina life emfa.
Ebedru ba bi meshe da bobodi. No mo hu ne ebeko. Hwe there was a time na me TV so. Me ka empenifo a na ahia. Wo mo do obi free Ethiopia by. O da ma me ka dey say no mo nti ase. Nipa ba ko 10 from Ethiopia. O mo ba say na mo mu diagro mo fa mo asem nto ba bi kra na. Yenko yanim. Na yes nipa no wo mo nya nipa no. Eti nipa ne TV so dia obetima nya no. Ana no pa makọ 101 o TV bi so. No ma boche nkuti hodom. E hye o modem. Na Ethiopia ni kanchesa. O hia backup.
Atija.
What's o hia? asɛm a mi ɛnyɛ true
sɛ waka woni medicine ko
ɛnyɛ true
dan na di Ethiopia
ɔmo na ɛyɛ sade no ɔmo di mu sɛ Hopeson ka no kra ɛnu anwumre
sɛ woni o ma nante pe
hwɛ ɛnu anwumre bɛyɛ sɛ what time mpo wo de me pɛ me ma time ana me de kɔkɔ to Facebook
Hopeson Adorye
aha ayi nie me de to hɔ am say 18 hours enie
obi ono na ado na ma
they metro yeni me say these mafias will collect the my eye top pe ejana me kapijin kakra ho you are not tired of me abi the 4 people from Ivory Coast cannot do FOKO. If you push me to the wall you may regret, take it or leave it.
No the two no
me the two one almost screenshot to the sunny almost spiritual fathers me say muntimi nye FOKO.
Hopeson Adorye
muntimi nye FOKO.
Hopeson Adorye
look omo da me say there is no movement minimum na me yemu ye. In fact nkrofo wo mu a deep down in my heart me pe o masem fitete and so mba be start sansem funwe eti me nya madwene se me ye omo bone but so mu di abra ho ade abde be ye omo no ho
so mo kofa Ethiopia fo e ba e minim mo
me so mu di abra ade abde be ye omo
so frɛ me se me ne obi nkasa
that's right
ana me boa
sa
one frɛ me se me ne obi nkasa
me frɛ wa nkasa
se me ne obi nkasa
sabe eya no obi nkasa na den na mre bia me surprise nipa media no
ba wo kan say nipa no waye papa ba pepe bi
that's right
sa papa na waye wo ni nti enu nti na wo di wani ato ba wo pese me fe nipa no na me kan kire say
that's right
ana motuo na wo tuo ni na wo to onye careful nipa no so me fe nipa no so wantumi ankasa
eti monye careful obi Fred nyame
no bi
nyina ho
sati anso nyina anya peda
enye pe
ebe de da bi achi
me frɛ grasi o
say ha dwe
me frɛ grasi o
ha dwe nyine grasi fo
e grasi e dware ye ba o
wo say ye den
ye dware ye ba eto mu nya careful yo wo de Ghana fo nya dance
wo da so court no
court ni nyame adom e be call Wednesday ajapade de no Wednesday ye be shase ye be brief Ghana for ye be nyina o ye be brief obia
me say me be join no
ma hu say wo so ajapade de no mo so mo pe 100 billion from me
10 million Ghana
now you see what ye ba beka ma ye nkwa yi ni me maputu up me defense ye be court ye be kwakoka
fantastic
betina da kam ye be bisa me question be gia no omo so betina ye so be bisa obo question no mo gia no
enti me napo di mi ko ye de ni be gina da kam
wono na betina da kam first
napo be gina da kam
first na wo lawyer aye no cross examination wo bia
edo gitama koloni adawudu
yeah wo mo ye no cross
examination lawyer edo gitama ko one eye lawyer
fantastic people
adawudu
na me lawyer azu
apotutu nti napo be gina da kam na me so me gina da kam
o wi ana so aba
napo lawyer anso aye den
a cross examine
Ghana be ye den ko atwi ne meka
Eduardo no
say me program na etwi mo sa lawyers for no mo brofo ni bi wo comment asia me ka me twi akọ
jese ndeba bi wo hodo mu a wo hwa
na wo kwa wo kan de wo ka twi ana ka
me ana me se me kwa me ka twi
wo nya nu ho no
na nya nu ho but me ka twi
strategy ne ye
na se me ko ye twi program
wan ko ye program
twi program na me ko ye ana mo
se be interpreter man
modia o ya interpreter will be there
oh okay
na fe ya ye ne ya hwe se look well what they say yeah be court
say what capacity legal team lawyer doji tamaklo and lawyer adawudu o my ready but what be Ghana bed o
yeah Ghana bed no like Roma obi antimi fa court hunu obia
no Ghana say emra na
ko antimi fa hunu obia asem no me sa me ka sempa na me fi sa madi for pa me pa ocho
mpa
what you say me don go kwotwe na asem a like oh David
if you win him the way
oh there say ko
say me say na eden
ya wie court ni nyina sa 7 ya be sab maso krum ha satam na manfo ebeti ase yi
ba dum so no so to bi twa
etu de etwa kura
awurade
etwa na say one say light of life what do that I know am the court was all of a sudden doing so has vanished from this
about low voltage
low voltage na I didn't hear kind of Montias your she last me catch energy minister say in some places one country ni MD no on for the Nancy form baby or honum na say a call offer there should be justification
went to me hona say chairman na kwesi be kan say be na Asante regional say what far phone or free we did 10 minutes my friend say
me come become achavi na every weekend be no muduma yi me call weekend Saturday obo no modum no no matter sumu ana de ache me kwa me wo mutumu ya no me say ya o ya o mudam adam friend regional minister I say net na muyi was say me man of few minutes I know Fred district manager no you were less than 15 minutes
na light na
today na say light no ya num na akosi say me free home Monday anopa it say na ka bibia say na wudumu na eye den ana wo so ye
say be dum
that is why people should
amafo adwene
that's right
aban no
eye
na to aba ma sabe we nyejimisem
eye jimisem eye trimodisem me say me describe what no wo dum no just like that for what hey wo ye technocrat party A ba wo party B ba wo so why should you allow yourselves
now when you say
to be used
when you say Asante region BBC yeah brand na a transformer so you say fort ye den e wo ho na brantie na afro no mo say brantie no omususu say wo ye NDC ni wo fro suru so kwa akoye adwuma na say ye dum transformer na no mokoso ye omakuno wona me say sama eboboba no ho de tie me sama eboboba amafo ya pause wo maku wo in the region wona me sama eboboba wona me say week we ha ba yase ye hu sa wono kaba no ye form team na won to me join ne pa e be pause obi ko office wonu musu okoduru fie na less than 30 minutes no wu I was Asante region.
Wow.
They buried the man 2 years ago in Asante region. Young man did not we so near shot. Obi a won say o yes no. Na cha say wo no ye won say waso de wo say you free ho. Nya short transformer na kill. Na you know so ho ni kun. Asante region America no. Hopeson. Me say nema eba nema nam kwa mamba. Meetings amafo se kokwa moye. Obi na maso wakwa asore ewo eye tio wakwa asore ewo sunwane nya asore no okoye me modi o nya asore no okoye no akosi agriko boss ene eye VR boss no firi ba bi no mo besia nipa no ho me mo region so a sa agriko boss no woye na me mo region kron so a eye sa eye UCG boss no so eye by happy in sunwane omusia na ye den kojina sorry dem akoka nkwase asem me modi
na ye den
wo aso atie kunkum ni power off in the region all because of power NC
wa hunye ntia
nyama bobo this week na man for won be hye wo mo names will be mentioned and people will start shaking kacha say hey akwane akoka no mo be sate ahu nyama eba revelations a ebe pie in Asante region no mo de mo be yesterday
you see Bibini black man.
Sane segana ma woni said mu ye ni nyina na da yensem. Mo vi so obi suru mu. Energy minister was in the region over the weekend, right?
That's right.
So tell man.
Yeah.
That's all by politics. No I resign no akwa join any party.
And I make say.
So open this ana okọ open NPP ana okọ open mo party UP ana okọ the base nso ana okọ obi anchechero. Ma so be say we ye yisi adwuma ye yisi adwuma.
And then maybe I make say young guys no more we school or more banner. Or me good. Or me good. obi beka say bia experience no money, but they have the brain to work. Eti mpenimfo na omudo omu fi say omu anya omu bibi eti say no omu be mede in politics no. I mean clear them. Huh?
Clear.
Young guy. No dina kwa ye manager no ahwe with the youthful exuberance no obeja adwuma ama niam akoso.
Obi wo northern regional, ibetimi transfer no obekumasi.
Yeah.
Obi nso wo voter ibetimi transfer no obekumasi. Na de mo say wo Asante region ho a wonni adwen pa because of obi interest our 70.
Yeah.
No mo jani pa no kwan.
Eno ano no. Vakasa asem ya ma ka. Kronom abohia ho. Ba bia Kweku oten ni o me kasa mo ho say na me kansem. Kronom abohia ho. Ba bia Kweku oten ye adonko ne factory no ewo no. Ma bi ye rubber ye factory ewo ho. Ya o nane Roberts residential area. They are here for eternity. DNC ye wo transformer one hono. DNC ye wo transformer no. Mi bisa o mo so mo hwemi okumase DNC ye wo ho. What kai say every achimota transformer obi ko shebi ni ache no.
Thank you.
So kai
Me kai
o kai pa
me kai na Georgina Poma na ninya den ena
ho
sa transformers for na omode ko no ho omude kwa se won se bia wo ni voltage a power aye den ekura ti omube yi ho na kaketu ya bi na je se woso AC ana ye cost of one timenye den enyusu light no ho. Now this is a new strategy. My home meeting. And this is a new strategy on Owusu. Into okoda dem a o ceiling fan ko emoyi wo air condition also and so ye cost of one be complaining. Ke be ka sa ban no
obi a
onwena mo
workers na omo be fix omo be ya adwuma ho no. Say omo records bibia wo ho.
They have been compromised.
Me say omo records
fantastic.
You see?
No, we are sending them signal to them.
You see? Sammy oma we no mu no. Easy to get the people.
Fantastic.
Bia na for ho.
Oh.
Nature security for ho.
And maybe omo share meetings in bia so no. Omo nyom say nim de ekoso.
O de me nkoso.
Da be just say maybe omo share omo say meetings no. Omo nyom adwene say nipa monitor omo.
Da bo trebo ko metiase.
Ya say de ene say wo gina ho no. O hwe yie no anya dan.
Mogabi.
Ya say de bobo no so.
Mogabi. Krom ha ho. Say wonnim bibia. O me ka se krodo da hokwo.
Dabi. Just woni ni hu ade. Just woni ye dey. Say ye na anajo.
O ka se krodo da hokwo.
Ye na anajo. She. E wo da anajo mbefa ho. Ana wo sa anajo na hu niema.
Dem bi o ha mi mie bi so e be alert nkrofo bi.
Ye nya ya.
Chese who said here ha the security architecture of this country who should the way more designing no the way mu ye no enya nsam ina no mo de ba bonti o
dabi
like nsam ina no mo de ba bonti anka global get matra
dabi da
get me tra hada what you say but eya me yanzu omo timi to ahoma no mo atwi kwa dodo what you say kwa no a watwe na banager we expose
say on say omo kotrase a ya no mo kan 77 men kan 77 omo kotrase a sankofo no mo kotrase ko hyehyɛ saa omo yi no omo kwa omo di kan di tofe to omo kwa kwase asem no omo koka
wait of it no
wait of it no kwase asem no omo ka meeting bi akoso ya don John Dumelo omo akɔbɔ no hopo
I see.
Yes. Yeah, John Dumelo, Paul Mokoboy, no. Meeting a course da, a said, Katia call SD, sorry, or a year, Sunyano. Yeah. Mofi, sorry, no dear, and vessel. Then you made a meeting, of course, who Kumasi, Asqua. Meeting a course, Mokobo, Paul, F.I. John Dumelo. John Dumelo, we a great a year MP. Why reaching out to me after me breaking news, no? Edit the angels na really na me be kan e wo monologue no John Dumelo aframe ne my den e makasa John Dumelo reach out to me and me di nkomo ni ho adwene no
That's right.
Said the onama nkwada school nkwada drinks ne niema wo cheche edema wo mo no.
Ombe poison Biafra.
Ye be poison nipa kan. E se ekutre pe. Ye kutre a ye be ka se meda. Oye meda. Ne de ato no so. Na je say ama na ni monyam nyina ye asei. Na omatimi ayeden agye seat no. Meeting ko so waskwa. Oma no mo meet me mo obi edi ba omo tie me omo nim omo ko ye meeting omo nim and omo nim agenda na was a meeting no so na utiri wiase
te mami ka se ba ko jiro
bi mu ne nko
abrantie bi wo de me money din one nam presidency ana NPP for mienu akwako hunu se omo modern se me obe kate me from every opportunity because Benyeska megu NPP.
And say ni we go.
What the tiu?
Party ni dey agu.
Enti no. Sa branch no. Say bia yemfa ne so moahia. Yemfa ne say Ibrahim Mahamadu obi moahia na. Oh, na hope Alfred ahwe no.
Ya say wa kire no.
No kokodu wa mo aye ni say.
Alfred number kura wonim.
So ho ne tie no. Enti maybe nim sani o mote.
Semeti aye me bi da.
Ana me suma ye din na me hwe won wo di ade me say e bedru baabi obepem opim wi a afi amanfo be hu ne nupa ban a wo ye wo hye NDC mpanifo mu eso oye aduma e di ama NPP
can you imagine
na me makachire NPP fo hwe the day Fremont Parika says Hopeson Adorye be NPP are returning power there omo opposition no that day na me sorry and I'm say mo be opposition
what do mo console
and everybody will attest to the fact say dialogue me play major role
to make sure some be opposition
to make sure say omo be opposition and omo call yen so
na say wa bro ni nsem ko adenti say won na na do won na date na wan to me ameka hu nsem anchire Ghana fo
hwe Akufo Addo be me penasem
I like that.
Na
a lawyer
like media channel.
What the channel na do?
Media channel.
Se wa bro ni asem no.
Me se media channel.
Ba BBC.
Men ka
BBC.
Men reveal ni security bia wa bontenda.
Onye.
Me penasem.
Ayo papa pen.
Oh, why not?
To won kaye.
Why me papa pen? What you say?
Wona na do atena na omo ase edi nkita ho da.
Ah, me se MPP mpedifo nyina nim se na me na Akufo Addo te.
Ba se mo
ministers abra omo wa ba me ko minister bi ho class. Oh, president ba wuti bi bowra ho ye ko gina epunu achi. Say. What you say? I have na me wo access to him. What you say? But I am not going to talk
about anything about him. I like that.
Despite the fact he say kwa be kuma ni nyina wa ma me kapre no. Men konko kafu emfa no.
Onya hwe wo.
Me nya hwe
emfa hwe so mrew.
Ana ono oye peni medisa ni die no eye den e ma no.
Eno say ni on say nkatetefo nyu me say kawe Kwabena pra junior wo ha morning show host edema TVS wa jene say me ni wa ye bi pen. Many wa ye be pen.
Sir.
Odo kayo.
Aha.
Odo. Kai debi say. Many wa ye be pen. Odo kayo.
Mugabi edru baby me ye madwe senka me settle wo Germany.
Yeah, what capture me pen.
Me starte me nkrata pra ni ade. Ya kwapo ya you ya kan say Denmark na ya dia ba betum
Scandinavian countries.
That time every day Senya gabby na be send message a yuji ahin every day consistently
here
all my so here wo na me no problem for them memra ana me bae masidani etisa MPP for entwaboa na omoya na omo cancel phone de omo nim ni omo ka
omo ye den
omo ye ntwaboa omo nim ni omo ka o ja je omo nim ni omo ka me
o se yanko issues no so say my two topics na ma ana
that's right
o start everything
Oh, said the president Asante to can say
fish for one so
fish fish for good legal education just say omudisa reforms here by there. I think say it will be a name and a credit to MDC Aban President Mahama ena edianimu yenyina enim senior city mekai enamfophobia no more exams to enter the law school. Now we share or deals are no more from a month for no more. Just said the number of times or mutual. Because those days, one of the Chief Justices, Grana Nebaba, soon was trouble 3 times. No, Chief Justice about so on yet.
Sabronia da suture. Can crash what trouble.
Oh, that's why lawyer. So on yet. Sadio wejina na entiminya yi but aban ya ye ne say look say one school dem bia say a whole lot wo hwa nipa dodo sen kra na omutimi fa edru yi a wo hwa the number of people mo apply mo kwa koye exams mo be ko ho ayi say je easy minia say hu send the exams ne ti aje look one bomb or 48. Just say, oh, you know who I want to see. But Akufo Addo, President Mahama, a beer quino atum. Ama some of the universities this time or no, a beba into the ye. Enti Munina or Munina betty me at training lawyers. Muvia, the Munina much one common exams. Let us say, Modiaba. Out. Na mene lawyer be a dinkomo. Ano say no, I don't know assessor. I trabutu. So on no.
Apostle Lincoln say menchia man.
Apostle
Lincoln
Abraham.
Lawyer 1 month so yeah, Abraham. Semenchia.
Yo.
So watch your life now. He's enjoying the show.
Apostle that say. So on no.
Fantastic.
It is first no, wo ba be wuramu a eden pa. Say no, wo be wuramu a enye den. Dem mo ba be wi a yese hono so no ene ba be yasem etibiri no monhwe na eho na nkwa sha manfo kon a chese watima akọ sua ese oba out no na no so aba be ye abeda ne Boakye bidin no enti monhwe na bibia ese so moye chese emfa impediment bia ema amanfo akwa mu no momie kwan ma omo na chese bibia
present ayade
enti
yam business ayade
o mayade
majority chief
yeah Once drew baby na because of bar associations and some ya once na fe aso mumuche
say de na da odame ye no na manfo enye
na muche eti memi hu say the NDC group of lawyers no say omo so kro omo ti so omo so ti omo kro omo association bi
yeah
eti out of that no omo started some be push this kind of agenda na omotima ye amana weke amana ye kama ye do mu nyina ase ebema ye ma omoba obia opese ono so ekokosua law bia no obetimi akwakosua amana ye nti ebebo President Mahama abaso se parliament pass ye nso amfanto akonyase
zone de ono onya pass dia ono ntise obia executive secretary betwere krata aka say speaker memfa de nemba
wa sente eti se ye
try tumutumu no
Matis wa sure say
no the parliament mo recess ne ba
speaker mi ati ase so obuba kwan bi obefa so a ombe pass bia Gabby ye pass ma onye Akufo tio ye pass sa law na wo
Ghana be ye
pass sa law na wo de ubehu ye ka dey say particular party mu nkofo a wo mko akọ the prison I was say you know
tumutumu no
just say I thought that me biase.
Adoko mo te say de.
Me biase. Look, me nkonko to say ebi mu ye bida. That's so it's alleged. You just see we anyway. Na penny bi pa meeting this o ye bi. Me say hey.
Jure emu akoso akomia.
Hey.
Hu jure me.
Che say me wonti ase.
Be di akoso akomia nyina.
Hey,
akosoya akomia
we dem pacho
ya dinu twa ya friend akosoya akomia wanya madi
pacho na ya jitu muwie na bebe ye law na se ye start emrane started say pian crofo ko prison na NPP fo bio mo no okrom ha sei ade be yo mo okrom ha ade be yo mo okrom ha
janugum ne yanko
na se mo se ade no on passe o passe wie na fe emrane chiche crofo e de omo ko prison keep quiet na emrano enye den enye na djuma
me na for rastafo nyina mpesa ade no tunumutumu no mo dwa kra rastafarian bi ampe
na nipa de se ni de
aba
nka bema wugina ona so
Bediatuo my president
na ya ye kan sen nyankopon hyeda boba
fefe
na me iriti mani na me hweda ni ma me se da bi wo de me mpe wani na me pe mo gabi na nimu tuntumu yi ene na me pe I mean
what is wrong
I mean
interesting times.
Now let's move to Fitch ratings.
Fitch for a very laudable.
Yes. There was history.
Fantastic.
Ebra NDC handed over no. Now me say ratings na jabra B minus or so. No, Mahama 1 handed over no. Na B minus. Ana edidi so and edru baby B plus kakra the woman na fe start down sa afi be dru baby a let us say Kwaku dru junk status kra honum ana chese ede panic buyer necessary Ghana to America echo IMF. Now ratings obi be bisa say eson faso ni say menya economist and menya accountant, but from what experts are discussing amamate and say ratings no are very good emma confidence in the economy. Now sabreya ratings aba can say B say yesikasem and then we share the inflation send aba form up to 3.2 say ye betu niamamu kra na enya de a ebekọ intentem sa de ebeba ne say enkonkoye say ebia ye kan say yentimi enkonkoje bosia say sa ratings ya mehu say yesikasem ye eti baby abeka say kwakopa bosia bia no ye betima nya sa bosia no omode bema yen anu so kire say eka bia ye de amananefo bia no ye betimi ayeden atua saaka no enu so ema ye hu se ye reserves ene ne ka ho nyina no eye strong hwe ye debt to GDP wutimu se eye manageable under NPP debt to GDP equal 105%. ye ka debt to GDP asie nyina ne se ye sika ya boa no the whole year say no and the bebebo or my hu bra no ya de toto car would de ho a say that time ne car Ghana ede no edoso sen sika ya de bo Ghana ho ebra by just say we 1 billion abro so 5%. Eti na debt to GDP 105%. Ebra NPP hand over ama NDC debt to GDP 68%. And then many work say just 1 year 4 months or 5 months no says debt to GDP about 42%.
Look at the inflation rate.
Look at the inflation. You see, it is so continuously. That's an international rating organizations, you know. Ekase Ghana, ye jina ye jina B. Ya free B minus abba B. Emotion. Now ya free B ya baba ko B positive. Near the Kwaku AO excellent.
John Mahama.
Ye bedru ho so.
Ato Forson.
Ye bedru ho. So hu de tie no.
Esiama.
Ye bedru ho. Hwe we nyina no anse NPP for mu ye dede kwa. Ozo omoka ana Bank of Ghana wa record losses of 44 billion in Ekaiga ho. Menia. sa 15 billion loss ya way ma say am penifo akyerechire mu a yen ka wa ha say no mo anya bi ante no so no enti ase Ghana ebra Akufo Addo hand over Mahama na ye exchange rate no e 14.72 it is $1 na ye 14 cedis 72 pesos up to December 2025 wo mo yes ade no mo say losses in buy no that $1 e 10 cedis 50 pesos
very well
now usika na wo ewo reserve no mu no esan se wo account for wo ye no in cedis intino 14 point you know your friends over 1 billion na sa wo change abayi a e be 14.5 billion 14.7 billion anamwa now essence one manage economy ni ye ama cedi na appreciate na every 14.7 e dey about 10.5 intino minia wo converted the same 1 billion na enka first no 14.7 you know you can say billion cedis you know say about 10.4 billion cedis it will share the difference in a woman na enye sika wayi akwakoto bibi enye sika wayi e di akwakosho obotom enye sika wayi e di akwakoye bibia na mom essence of exchange rate no atimi appreciate ye ntino ama sa exchange differentials no ama sika no so atiaba ono no yes we be declare say a loss what you say but enye loss say obi di ni sakwakobo sika mu na sa loss na akọ for Bank of Ghana no a benefited the whole Ghana business communities nyina now ena wo kwakope dollar ena ye ken 11 point something so we net no e far better than 14.7 no
oh there be send that 17 akodo ye koya
kodo 17 pound sterling kodo 24 so we net no ene 11 point something it is a we business person now kwa consistency
so matimi sustain no or that 11 point something no Dr. Siamane Ato Forson ma yadwuma
oh say
that good board so Sammy team na say
President Mahamadu Kasaya about the economy metie no was say yesika no ye betimi the dollar na ba 5 cedis
it wan hwe ya
ye betimi the aba ne de ba ebeboa business community omo ye import ni ade the mom exporters no omo be sofa what you say wo manufacture no ma no export to the akọ no wa yi aba eti se e ba form bebrea expertise no omo nya sika na omo hwehwe no
omo manimra 10
so hu ne tia
abaten
enti president say omo agree say between 10 and 12 emro 12 emma less than 10 and they share no more from last year omo hanging around there sa minim so no be sama for years
so na measures papa administration
and no can hu anama sa ratings aba
asa Bawumia so person oba nti oba obeye den maybe sa Bawumia so person oba na obeye den
na Bawumia tio wo ye obi a oko school no
wonim ferry o
tio wo the book say mana on the obetima we ne baba gu ne tim chip sisia so eti wo the book do to say obetima kamu nsem na kire osa na so ka chance okay book no nsem na wo kan wo mu no fire adwuma ma no enna disisi a
implement ya trouble
what me nya no na the problem na Bawumia be fa country ya adai mo pese ya kwa hin
be call reverse
no are you getting it look what ye obi a wo ko school or train ho esuade ye gina ye ko school aye yi say wo wan baba
oh pa maybe a history student so imagine
what we baba no pa
president Kofo ni sister ba na the otchere history friend Miss Inokufo yes Ashtown na emu ye nyina wo mo Ashtown president
that's right
yes
so mu net no eti sa nwa ni nyina e wo hodum eti ono no de mo fa no ntu baabi this is practical thing
yeah
hwe Ato Forson is in charge of can you say fiscal policy
yeah
and Bank of Ghana BOG Ghana saying Dr. Esiama and so for monetary policy. And to no share stabilization in the Kaika ho. Ato Forson and say stabilization abano. Dear and ye beti me e die sika na ye. Kwan be so ne be fa be ya. Chese enkonko jinsem din the Kaika ho. And these are the practical measures.
So, but who said the introduction of a gold board, and so to me, Abeboa,
all right.
Okay.
But you see, what ye expect now? When see good, no, especially yen describe we as third world countries, you know. Near here, a liquid money.
So they want to make liquid money,
solid money. We have solid money. So they who here a year will reserve no a year dollar, euro, pounds. And no, and yet they reserve. And no, na bibi bar, and no, now bet me a day, a dear dida. God do need just walk out tongue and what me dear dida. Exactly. It is how we go to now up to some point to be a. Nini na ka reserve no but etoda ese uton na wunya sika na nkasa
kodi
na udi o invest wo hodom eti se yemfa ne se bia ye wo 15 billion dollars eda hodom so an ye wo gold so a ebia odin so ko be se ya yetimi ton gold no bi ni asande akwakohye 15 no mu a ni a invest na eboa
okay
eti sanyama na wo mo edi atoto akwan mu no eno na eboa now wo mo say se wo ma inflation abafom na wo beboka 15 billion aden eh edi asem no mo gan inflation na abafom no e ma fom ma Bank of Ghana e bafom ma Ghana fo timamufo no businesses omo na abafom edi ama now Bank of Ghana omo wo mandate baako se omo best stabilize the economy one best stabilize the currency any sanema no edu omoyi Bank of Ghana enya institutional yese ko ne kokko ye adwuma na nya profit sa profit ba fine but that is not their mandate. Their mandate is to make sure say your currency etima stabilize na yem bi say ho say aban he taking over Dr. Siama Baye no currency no a stabilize and a stabilize here from 14.72 aba woni say at point to grab by 9 9 na chiru na president Beka say o ka say say a year between 10 and 12 ana asha ho no sa consistently eti di asem no mo pese o mo ka kire eti fitch ama ya hu say
to we na ya no for Beka fa ho
oi o mo ne hweka.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.